Hi everyone, hope you guys are good and safe. Have you eaten your breakfast? You have eaten it. Well, have you all enjoyed your holidays? Okay, well, today we are going to learn lesson Nash goes to school. Are you all ready? Shall we move to the class? Okay, listen carefully, I'll read the lesson. Come Veer, says mother. You must go to school. Come Tina, you must go to school. Run Veer, run Tina, you must go to school. Here Veer and Tina are going to school. Mother said, come Veer, you must go to school. And also mother said, come Tina, you must go to school. And the mother said, run Veer, run Tina, you must go to school. Like that the mother said to them. And the next stanza, bow bow, bow bow, says Nash. Here who is Nash? Nash is a dog. Go home Nash, says Veer. You must not come to school. Go home Nash, says Tina. You must not come to school. Here, Nash is a pet dog. And Veer and Tina said to the Nash, go home Nash, you must not come to school. Like that they said to Nash. But he didn't obey. Nash came to them only. Bow bow, bow bow, says Nash, but he does not go to home. Already I told you no, he doesn't go to school. Already I told you no, he doesn't go to home. Who goes to school? Nash goes to school. At the time, a book falls down on the road. He sees the book. It is Veer's book. Nash takes the book to school. Veer sees Nash at school. He sees the book. The time they are going to school, at the time, Veer book fell down on the road. And Nash saw the book and it is Veer book. And then Nash took the book to school. At school, Veer saw the Nash and he see the book also. And then Nash, you have my book, says Veer. You are a good dog. Thank you for bringing my book. But you must go home. You must not come to school. Bow bow, bow bow, says Nash. Here, Nash, you have my book. Like that Veer said to the dog. And Veer said, you are a good dog. And also he said, thank you for bringing my book. And you must go to home. You must not come to school. Like that Veer said to the Nash. At the last, Nash said, bow bow, bow bow. Okay, this is the lesson. At first, mother said, come Veer, come Tina, you must go to school. Like that the mother said, and then run Veer, run Tina, you must go to school. Like that the mother said to them. And Nash said, bow bow, bow bow. Who is Nash here? He is a dog. Okay, very good. Go home Nash. Like that Veer and Tina said to the Nash, you must not come to school. But the Nash didn't obey. Bow bow, bow bow, says Nash. But he doesn't go home. Nash didn't go home. He is coming with them only. At the time, a book falls down on the road. He saw the book. It is Veer book. Nash took the book to school. And Veer saw Nash at school. He saw the book also. And then Nash said, and then Veer said, Nash, you have my book. You are a good dog. Thank you for bringing my book. Like that Veer said to the Nash, but you must not come to school. but you must go home. You must not come to school, like that Veer said. At last, Nash said, bow, 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 bow. This is the lesson. And what does it mean by bringing? What does it mean? It means carrying someone or something from one place to another. Carrying someone or something from one place to another. Okay, could you understand the story? Who is Nash here? It is a dog. Very good. Shall I ask some questions from the story? Okay. Are you all ready to say the answers? Okay. The first question. Where are Veer and Cheena going? Where are Veer and Cheena going? Veer and Cheena going to school. Veer and Cheena going to school. The next question. Who wants to go with Veer and Cheena? Who wants to go with Veer and Cheena? Do you know the answer? Yes. Nash wants to go with Veer and Cheena. Nash wants to go with Veer and Cheena. And the next question. Do Teena and Veer want Nash to go with them? Do Teena and Veer want Nash to go with them? What is the answer? Yes or no? No. Right? Okay. And the next question. What does Nash find on the road? What does Nash find on the road? He found Veer's book. What is the answer? Veer's book. Very good. And next, objects and their places. Match these objects to their right places. I'll say the object and you have to say the right places. Okay, the first one, book. Where do we keep our book? Where do we keep our book? We keep our books in cupboard. We keep our books in cupboard, right? Okay. Second one, clothes. Where do we keep our clothes? We keep our clothes in shelf. We keep our clothes in shelf. Very good. And then third one, toys. Where do we keep our toys? We keep our toys in toy basket. We keep our toys in toy basket. Very good. And the fourth one is food. Where do we keep our food? We keep our food in refrigerator. We keep our food in refrigerator. Very good. And now we are going to learn opposite words. Do you know opposite words? What is it? Here, boy and girl are opposite words. A word that expresses a meaning opposite to another word is called an opposite word. For example, black and white, happy, sad, like that. Now, I'll say the sentence. You have to complete the sentence, right? This face is happy, but this face is dash. What is the answer for that? What is the opposite word for happy? The answer is sad. This face is happy, but this face is sad. Very good. The next one is these clothes are dry, but these clothes are dash. What is the opposite word for dry? These clothes are dry, but these clothes are dash. What is the answer? Wet. The answer is wet. And the third one is fire is hot, but ice is dash. Fire is hot, but ice is dash. What is the opposite word for hot? Do you know the answer? The answer is cold. Fire is hot, but ice is cold. And the next one, wood is hot, but cotton is dash. Wood is hot, but cotton is dash. What is the opposite word for hot? Yes, soft. The answer is soft. Wood is hot, but cotton is soft. Very good. What is the opposite word for happy? Happy, sad. Dry, wet. Hot, cold. Hard, soft. Boy, girl, black, white, happy, sad, dry, wet, hot, cold, hard, soft. What are these? These are opposite words. And now we are going to pronunciation part. This is for your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Punch, lunch, bunch, bunch, lunch, lunch, bunch and lunch. Teach, 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 beach, 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 teach, beach. Each, each, beach, peach, each, peach, each, peach. Punch, punch, munch, punch, munch. Such, such, much, such, much. Couch, couch, pouch. Repeat after me. Bunch, lunch, teach, beach, each, peach, punch, munch, such, much, couch, pouch. Very good. You have to practice these words in your home, and also you have to write some opposite words like that. Already I told you, boy, girl, black and white. Like that you have to write some opposite words. This is your homework. You have to do it correctly and be safe. Bye bye. Keep smiling.